Good morning, YouTube. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And today is March 26, 24. Well, had somebody, a female, questioning why guys make a mess of the toilet seat. Yeah. Horrible question. Ladies, get over it. Okay? There's no pleasing you. You've decided to try to demand that we do both sides of the job, and then there's no making you happy, period, because, well, yeah. Sorry, your problem, not ours. See, it's like this. The toilet seat. You want us to leave it down and we leave it down? Well, when we go to the bathroom, the hose is not aiming where we're aiming. It's going where it's going because it's been shut down for a while and it's collapsed. And when it does come back open, it blows out sideways until it blows the hose full and we get a solid stream. So until the time from we starting to we get a full solid stream, we have no aim. And it goes wherever it goes. This is why when we go in there, we kick the lid up and, get the seat out of the way. But you don't like it when we leave it up, and you don't like it when we leave it down. And no, we're not going to do both sides of the job. You're big girls. Handle it. Wake up. You can do this. It's a problem that you can solve. It's not my fault if you didn't look and you sat down in the toilet and got your backside wet because the seat was up. You've got eyes, you should have seen it, your problem. And when it comes down to somebody leaving it down, well, you asked them to leave it down and then cry when it got sprinkled on. Yeah, your problem. You're trying to make guys take and fix both sides of this issue. And hey, we're tired of arguing with you, and it's just not worth the effort. At most, we're going to take and walk in there and use the side of our foot and lift it up, push it back, and get it out of the way. Because quite honestly, we don't want to be sitting in our piss any more than you do. So we lift it up and get it out of the way and piss. And when we're done, we leave it up because, well, the next man come in there, if he needs it down, he'll put it down, and he won't bitch about it. Sorry about the language. Well, no, I'm not. He won't cry about it. That's what you girls do. Cry about it when, you're trying to get men to fix everything for you? Well, guess what? Not our job. Your happiness is between your ears. Here and here is you. Not our job. And even if we tried to, you still aren't going to end up happy because, it's not our job. We're not going to give you the solution that you want because, there is no way that we can make you happy because you have to make you happy. So, you wonder why guys just go ahead and lift it up and leave it up and walk out afterwards? Well, we're not pissing on it. Be happy. A lifted up lid has not been pissed on. So you should be happy about that. But hey, you're not. Fix your side of the problem. Because it's between your ears. Again, you. Not our department, not our care. Serenity prayer for me. I'm not trying to fix you because you are you. And you are your own problem. I work on fixing me because I am my own problem. But how do you tell a female that you're just tired of taking and hearing the same cry, the same whimper, when they won't do anything to take and fix it themselves? Grow up, take responsibility for yourself. The only way you're going to be happy is if you choose to be happy. Your problem. Anyway, sorry, bit of a rant. I had two different females hit me with that today. Yeah. I know one of them. The other one was just, I happened to be going by. Apparently thought it was a good idea to attack a stranger with her stupidity. Anyway, that's y'all's problem. Figure it out. Get over it. All right. Yeah, I've got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, but it's for a doctor that my insurance doesn't cover, so I had to take and cancel it. And going through the three-ring circus of trying to cancel an appointment with the hospital because they don't take my insurance, they want to argue with me about it. Well, you have to come. Sorry, I'm not taking this out of my pocket. Yeah. Insurance companies. What a nightmare those are. Anyway, yeah. Finally got them to take and cancel. They whimpered about it. I told them, hey, well, now you can squeeze somebody in tomorrow. So hopefully they get somebody there to take and get it. They'll be there for that. We'll see. Or, well, I don't care about seeing. Not my problem anymore. They're the ones that stopped taking my insurance. So they're crying about a self-inflicted injury to their wallet because they quit taking my insurance and I can't afford to pay out of pocket for their expensive equipment and doctors. So, yeah, they quit taking my insurance, but it's my fault. Yeah. Anyway, past that, I got not a doctor's appointment, but a dentist appointment for my teeth on Wednesday morning. Yay, dentures. Go get me starting the process for making me have a smile again that doesn't scare jack-o'-lanterns. Yeah, I'm not afraid of it. I'm okay with it. I'm not vain. But it would be nice to be able to eat corn on the cob and not have so many splatter issues. Corn on the cob is something I love, but without enough teeth, that is a issue. And it goes everywhere. Kind of like going to the bathroom. But anyway, different subject. Thought of that. Anyway, yeah. And I get to go and try to I got to deposit a check for escrow. That is another issue for tomorrow. And somewhere in there I need to swing by and pick up a couple things at the grocery store. Yeah, I don't make bread as much as I used to, and I'm not eating as much bread as I used to, so I don't need as much of it. And, well, I'm out of cream for my coffee. Nightmares, horror. Oh, yes. I need my cream for my coffee, and I need to pick up some extra butter. I make that bulletproof coffee with butter in it. And, yeah. I'm out of protein powder now, too. So I'm going to pick up some of that. Try to get back on my doing my bulletproof coffee on an actual bulletproof coffee again. That's some good stuff. If you haven't tried it before, search bulletproof coffee and make some. Try it. See if you like it. It has some advantages. Anyway, that's one of the things I'm going to try to get taken care of tomorrow. Because, well, I don't want to try to do it on Wednesday because I'm going to be going to the dentist. So tomorrow seems like a good day. Tuesday, yay. Today. The nightmare of working night shift. Some days I'm just not sure what day of the week it is. Have to stop and think about it. Because, well, for me, everything changes because, well, is it today, yesterday, or today, tomorrow, in the morning? Yeah, we get to figure that out. I don't know about you, but right? knocking things over. Oh, yay, oh, yay. Alright, got that out of the way. But anyway, trying to get bits and pieces took care of, and was hearing somebody talking about, living in some trucker video guy. He's an American truck driver that's bouncing between here and the Philippines, and he was talking about living, in the cars or in a park. Yeah, hey, folks make that choice all the time, and it is a choice. Everything we do is a choice. Live under a bridge, eat out of trash cans. It's a choice. Some folks choose to do that instead of getting up and having a job. Some folks choose to live in a car so that they can save money to do things so that they can jumpstart their finances and, turbocharge them. Well, when you don't have a lot of money going out on, housing, yeah, living in a car or such is an option. Everything in life is a choice. What are you willing to take and, choose? And what consequence are you willing to accept to get to where you want to get? Now, I understand, living in a park or, parking a car in a park and living in the car is an option. Everything is a choice. But yeah, that was some trucker guy. And, well, I agree with him in that area. It's a way to take and boost your finances. And why are we doing what we do? I mean, we do a whole bunch of things for those funny little green pieces of debt. Like I said, paper money, fiat currency. It's not worth the paper it's printed on. The only reason it has any value is because you believe it does and accept it still as having value. Although they've literally torn the value away from it to the point that if it's worth 2 cents, it's a surprise to me. I remember buying candy bars and candy and such, Big candy bar for a nickel. Yeah. Nowadays you pay over $1 for that. So where's the value? Yeah. They've robbed us. That's why I don't like bankers. Because, well, the bankers have, inflated the dollar away. Stole from us. If we could go back to just having silver currency, gold-backed currency, metal-backed currency, something with real value in it, like I said on a video before, $1.35 from when I was a kid, or $3.75. Those same silver quarters, $3.75 would be a real nice paycheck right now, per hour. So why are we accepting fiat debt money? Yeah. Wake up, the world, and nobody wants to wake up. Part of the reason I don't care about staying here in America is because the cost of my living has gone stupid, and I can't fight the bank. Nobody wants to, say, hey, we're no longer taking this. And if at that point it does happen, well, all that money is now gone and not worth anything, and where does that leave us? Yeah, total mess completely, and so that takes a while to fix. That's a mess. Not one I want to try to fight to fix. I'm old. I choose my fights. Right now, about the biggest fight I want to have to take on is the fight of dragging a fish into the beach and having to deal with it making a run on my drag and, tighten it a little or let it out so it can run it and wear itself out a little more and then try and drag it in. I don't know. That is my idea of a good fight. One I want to take and pick. Yeah. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. And y'all have a good day. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.